Hey, what's up YouTube? Here's a really fast video showing you how to swap your Cronos token to your CroNodes token in order to buy a CroNode node. So here we are on chronoswap.org. There is a link in the description taking you to this site. First things first, you need to make sure that you connect to the right network. So under your MetaMask wallet extension, go ahead and switch to the Cronos network, and you will then be connected. You can see we're on the Cronos chain. So we're going to go from CRO token and we're going to swap it into a CroNode token. So if it doesn't pop up down here, just go ahead and search CRN. You'll see CroNode pop up. And from there, we can enter as many CroNodes as we'd like to swap. I'm going to go ahead and swap in 12. I need just a few more CRN in order to create a new node. So actually I'm going to go with 11. And we just click swap. So once we click swap, confirm the swap, we'll pay a 1.833 CRO transaction fee. And swap takes place. We will approve it on our MetaMask. You can see the amount of CRO that we're going to be spending. And there we have it. So in just a few minutes or seconds, it's going to process this transaction, and you should see it pop up in your assets column for the Cronos network. And these are your CroNode tokens. If you do not know how to add the CroNodes token to your MetaMask, there is a quick video in the description below. Thanks for taking a look. Have a great day. Any questions, leave them in the comment section.